newer designs, the Mariposa is for middle parting. Mariposa, middle parting. So again, you have someone who does not have a hairline, wants to use a full hair installation. She wants to wear her silk lace closure and wants to part it in the middle. So you take the area that is indented and put it behind the ear. Both sides are indented to go behind the ear. So you take it, put it behind the ear. And this gets wrapped up to the front of the ear. Front of the ear. Making sure that the skins are even. One way to tell that they're even is going to the back and just making sure these hearts are centered. Check it out for yourself. And look straight. Look straight in the center. And you see how this is up? Well, as soon as you sew it down, it closes up really nicely so that it stays nice and flat on your client's scalp. And when everything is closed up, all the slits, everything forms a complete shape of your client's hairline. And now you have a new hairline to work with.